Contenders, Optic 15690. We need to give away the magic to somebody over here. And it'll be the team on top after 5 spins. 3, 4, and 5. It's the Bulls. 5 times. Bulls are with someone. Let me check. Adrian Forbes. Good luck, everybody. Come on, Pandora, and 1 of 1. Maxi, Tyrese Halliburton, Trey Murphy, silver ticket. Nice one for the Warriors, Jordan Poole. Where did he end up? He traded, yeah? First class seat on my lap, girl. Jalen Williams. And Keegan Murray, red, cracked ice, hoop dreams. Wizards. Really? Clay Bay. Cat red. Randall silver. 58 of 75, Dyson Daniels, rookie auto for the Pelicans. Giannis and Drew. And Agbaji. Like, the yellow is bad enough, and it's bad enough on that card. Then you see the back, and it's like, oh. Still no Pandora. I am in trouble. Kuzma. Giannis blue. 56 of 99. Sabonis. Rookie season ticket for the Pistons. It's Jaden Ivey. Nice. That'll be just the silver version. Embiid and Cade. Timmy. Bojan to 75. 32 of. 25 of 75, Giannis. Another redemption. Joker. And a blue Hoop Dreams. Magda sending me 7 AFL Instagram stories. 50 of 75. Redemption is variation season ticket green, Wendell Moore Jr. for the Wolves. That'll be to 75. Trent Cotchin is a legend, he says, just out of nowhere. Thank you, Magda. No Pandora, this is going to cost me. Cherry Pie. Zion. Edwards silver. 66 of 75 Zion uniformity. Redemption to finish. Another Zion. Was that 3 Zions in the box? Yes. And a red fox. Zion, Zion, Zion. 3 of the 6 cards. Last card of the break is season ticket green Mark Williams for the Horn Dogs. They've all been uploaded, Bo, so you're good to go over to the break video channel. That is it for 15690. Actually, I need to get a pie. Damn it. Oh, where are they? Here's one. Thank you. Every card will ship from these breaks, yes. Oh, it's graded. PSA graded. It's 230 of 250. That's nice. It's a rookie Dwayne Wade courtside cuts. PSA 7. Game worn jersey. Rookie product. That's a nice card for the Heat. And that is it for 15690.